Everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of autoclose on the application of Snapchat. You will go to settings here. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above here you will search about Snapchat and you will click. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Then you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.